Okay, so about to head down to a friend's shop to buy, I don't know, about 6 or so kilos of gyros, lamb and chicken to put on the spit. Just feeling a little bit hungry, so yeah, that'll be just for me to eat over the next few days, so stay tuned. Okay, so I just got back from picking up the meat, just chucked it on the pole, started cooking. So from here down, it's chicken, and there across is the lamb. Sunlight's playing havoc with the vid, but what do you do? I'll be back and get some more coals on there. Alright, so we're about, how fast is he? 35, 40 minutes in? Yeah? What are we doing? Cooking meat?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're about 40 minutes in and we're getting a little bit crispy on the outside. As you can see, it's starting to get a little bit crispy. We'll do our first cut probably in 15-20 minutes and have our first souvlaki, and then we just slowly keep going throughout the afternoon. I got my little helper out here with me, haven't I? Yep, she's sitting down helping. It's gonna be nice. We'll be back. Say we'll be back.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
Here's one for the night. Don't waste my time. Don't stop, don't stop. This game ain't nothing. I'ma wait till the time.
Alright, first cut done. So just about to go and eat one now, and we'll keep this pumping. Looking good, nice and juicy.